Hi, it's Beep from Growing Vegetables with Beep. I want to show you what the garden looks like. So these are different kale. They're the curly kale and the Cavanera kale. I think these are collies. They look like collie leaves. Mark is pulling up the last lot of French beans. Would you say they've been good, Mark?
Okay, haven't they?
But they've got...
They're starting to get bean blight.
Bean blight, which shows you like that. Which doesn't initially affect them, but after, well, how long have you been picking? Five pickings?
Yeah, something like that.
And now they've sort of started, you see it on the leaves.
Is that one?
You can... It's like this here. The leaves start getting like a blight on it.
No, it goes to the
I've never seen it, but they definitely... Initially the beans aren't affected, and then slowly, like Mark just showed you, they get this sort of brown spot on the leaf. These carrots have been in a long time. They probably should be pulled. They're going to seed. They were awfully slow at taking, so we just re-sowed and re-sowed. And there are different sizes in there. Some are ready that we're eating, and some are still growing. These are the parsnips. 3 different sowings.
Yeah.
All we left them in place if they were growing, and then sowed in between. So some nice sized parsnips. It was just very hard. It was very hot early on, and they just weren't germinating. This is another lot of carrots. Actually, you can see one carrot is going to seed there. I'd like to try and keep seed for that, but I don't know if I will. They are the first lot of beetroot, and they're all right, but we've got another lot in a minute. But look, they're regrowing and they've got green on them. They're still edible, and we are eating them, but they've been in a long time as well. Right, this is on the kalettes. We try and strip the bottom leaves off to keep it clean in there. So we try and like this. We pull off the bottom leaves, and that's where you can see my dog can walk through there, so he's happy. Parsley and leeks, and then we've sown a later crop of carrots at different times. So these are very late, and these were August, July, August. These are the garlics that we planted 10 days ago. They've really come up well, so that'd be interesting. Planted them, well, let's think. That's what it looks like at the moment. It's producing pretty well. Just want to show you my beautiful dahlia. Look at the big head on this one. It's very late, but what a beauty. Where's my Reggie? You coming to help me? So we brought some compost home from home, and we're going to put that on this bed that Mark's just cleared of the French beans, and then I'm going to plant my elephant garlic in here. In this bottom bed, the bottom beds, we have cleared them all off. I'm just showing you how. Here at the top I've sown turnip, and here I've sown some mustard seed for now. See what happens. But over here we've got carrots. Very poor take, as you can see, buds, they're sulphidas. Look at that beautiful butterfly gum. This is the ochre still looking very beautiful. Be interesting when I finally can dig them up, but I can't yet till the end of November.